What if a legendary wartime motorcycle came back to life with modern power and precision? Imagine the spirit of the past meeting 2026 engineering. Today, we're talking about the 2026 BMW R75, a name that carries history, but now feels completely reborn. A legend reimagined, the original R75 was built for toughness and reliability in extreme conditions. Fast forward to 2026, and this machine keeps that rugged DNA, but everything else has been upgraded. This is not just a retro revival. It's a modern motorcycle inspired by history, not trapped in it. The design blends classic military styling with clean, premium finishes that make it stand out on any road. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the 2026 BMW R75 is expected to feature a refined boxer engine, delivering smooth torque and consistent power. This bike isn't about top speed. It's about control, stability, and confidence. Whether you're cruising on highways or handling rough terrain, the engine response feels predictable and strong. You get that deep, signature rumble, but with modern efficiency and reduced vibration. Ride and handling. One thing experienced riders notice immediately is balance. The low center of gravity gives this bike a planted feel. Suspension is tuned for comfort without losing control, making long rides easier on the body. The handling is steady, not aggressive, which suits riders who prefer confidence over risk. It feels like a machine you can trust in any condition. Technology and features. Even though it looks classic, the 2026 R75 comes with modern tech. Expect digital instrumentation, riding modes, traction control, and advanced braking systems. Everything is designed to support the rider without taking away the raw feel of the ride. It's a smart mix of old-school character and new-school safety. Who is this bike for? This bike is not for everyone. It's for riders who respect history, who enjoy a relaxed but powerful ride, and who want something different from typical sport or naked bikes. If you've been riding for years, this kind of machine feels like a reward. It's about connection, not just speed. This video is based on expected design concepts, historical inspiration, and industry trends. Final specifications, features, and performance may vary depending on official release details from BMW.